Moving on to GBPUSD, we can see on the daily time frame that we've had that break of structure in towards the upside, and this is the current swing range that we are trading within. Now, we spoke about this internal break of structure, and therefore we can make sense of this pullback. We wanted to see these highs get taken, which we have, where we could then look for that next downside move, which we have started to see materialize here. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, the only thing that puts me off of this trade idea is the fact that now 4-hour we are swing bullish. This is important to note. This could just be manipulation. As you can see, it's not like we had a clear break and close above and then we began to retrace. We've kind of just broke the high, took the high, and then gone straight back down. I do now anticipate some of these points of liquidity to be the next target, and if we see a retracement towards this supply zone here, I'd be happy to be aggressive in my approach in looking for that next short position down. I do see a lot of weakness in GBP at the moment. If we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, what we can see is we've had that break of structure in towards the upside, swing low, swing high. Technically, now from a completely technical standpoint, we have got the lowest point of liquidity taken now within this overall impulse here. But supply is still currently in control, and this could still push us down further again. So the two options that I am potentially looking at is if we see a retracement in towards this area and we see some points of liquidity taken on the M15, and then we see that structure shift, you could then look for that short position. However, if we see price come up and break this supply zone, this would then create this area of demand where I'd then be happy to look for a long position back up to take out the weak swing high. I feel like some upside on GBPUSD could be good, as DXY does look like it needs to head down a decent amount lower to take out that daily point of liquidity. But of course that doesn't always need to happen, and we could just look for that short position from this area of supply because that is also still valid.